You can crank it up for like real heavy duty muscle training. You're really gonna increase the calories. This is the Yosuda exercise bike I was sent to review, and I am loving it. It features a great monitor that connects with several different exercise apps, a manual resistance that you can adjust quickly right in front of you, adjustable height seat and handlebar with a tablet and phone holder, water bottle holder, and a quick flybar stop button for safety. I am loving this thing, so let me show you a closer look. Here it is, fully unboxed, a lot to assemble, but the main device comes already assembled. Then you've got your pedals, your seat, all that stuff up here. All the tools you need are included, and here is the manual. Parts list, wow. And the assembly instructions, monitor specifications, operating instructions, app connectivity. I love the pedals, the way they cradle the front of your foot, and then you can tighten the strap if you want. I don't feel like I need to. There's a water bottle holder here, and then this right here, this knob is for the resistance. So you can go super smooth, easy, low resistance. You can crank it up for like real heavy duty muscle training. You're really gonna increase the calories and the intensity the further you go to the right. You can kind of do like a mixed interval, going quick and low resistance, and then throwing it into a hard ride, like really great. Really nice padded seat, super comfortable. When you have it on no resistance, it is so quiet. So quiet, like I've paired it with the FED fitness app. You can track all of your activities on this bike and other equipment, and then they've got classes and stuff you can do. So that's really cool. So much fat burning sprint, low impact ride, strength challenge, so much. And then I'm just gonna do this at the top, free mode. And you can connect it if you've got your monitor turned on, you just connect it. You could put your phone or tablet, whatever, it locks in right here. You can adjust the seat up or down, forward and backward a little bit, and you can adjust the handlebars up and down. That way it's like the perfect size for you. This is like zero resistance. It's just like so easy, too easy. So now I'm using these sensors up here. It's got my heart rate. You can go through the modes here. Here's the pulse. You gotta use both hands to do the pulse, so I'm having trouble doing that while filming, but FYI. And then if you go to scan, it's just gonna rotate through all of these for you. We've got time, we've got speed, distance, calories, odometer, and pulse. It's a nice looking bike, very compact. You do have rollers down here if you need to move it around. Back here is where you can adjust the seat up and down. Right here is where you can adjust the seat forward and backward. Right here is where you can adjust the handlebars up and down. Here's a close-up of the pedals. Here's a strap you can adjust. This is an amazing bike, super stable, super compact. And it took me about an hour to assemble, but I'm really bad at assembling stuff. So if you're good at assembling bikes and stuff like that, then it'd probably take you about half an hour, maybe less. I'm super impressed. There are several apps that you can connect with this. It's just a great exercise bike to add to your home gym, to have in front of your TV, to put in your office. I mean, it's a great way to just jump on it, do a few miles, do it every night. You can just pedal and be on your phone, honestly, watching some videos, watching TV. Especially if you crank up the resistance, then you're like really toning your legs doing this, guys. Woo! It's amazing. I love this thing, and I know you will too.